Hey, this is Danielle, and in today's trade idea of the day, I'm going to be talking about the ticker BETR. Now, this came up on my radar because it's on my short squeeze watch list as it has 30% short float, and it was the top ticker on my watch list today because it's up 15%. Now, upon taking a look at the chart, especially in the earnings hot zone, what you will see is that the pre-earnings 21-day average is 17.92%. That is just massive. Huge, huge, huge. Now, granted, this ticker hasn't had very many quarters, so, we don't have a huge data set here. But still, going back and looking at this previous short squeeze, I mean, hey, I'll give it a whirl. And that was a pre-earnings short squeeze, and so was this one right here. So, with a lot of these short squeezes, they can take off right before earnings because either people are nervous, they don't want to be short in front of the earnings report, or like even just during the pre-earnings time frame, right? So maybe they don't want to be short through the report, or maybe they don't want to be short before the report. Either way, but you do tend to see some short covering before earnings in short squeeze names. And then additionally with this one, because we're seeing some buying that has pushed us up above these previous highs, that's also where the short sellers will buy to cover. So you just have like a combination of factors here. Now, admittedly, the overall pattern in this chart doesn't have like a ton of history. So it's not like I can point to like 10 years of history, but some of these tickers that are lower price that are newer names, they have a lot of volatility. So for all of these reasons, I'm giving this one a shot. It has an earnings report coming up on the 11th. And I did go ahead and buy some long calls on this ticker in the Mastering the Trade room. So if you want to join us in the Mastering the Trade room, we're actually going to be having a open house next week. It's going to be pretty exciting. Here you can see a little bit better. There you go. So you can get in for $7. And what's really special about this open house is actually I'm going to be teaching an earnings season playbook class next Monday on the 27th. It's going to be at 11:30 a.m. Central Time. So you can get in to that, and then you can also get into my colleagues' lessons as well. Heather is going to be teaching about preparing your small account trading plan. We have John doing a fireside chat with the co-founder of CarbonArc. Henry is going to be doing an ATR setups class. Sam's going to be doing a weekly roundup, and then this is our trading room schedule. So if you want to join us, you will get access to the trading room, trade alerts, trading sessions, and then something that we have not done is allowed people to lock in a lower price. So normally the trading room is $247 a month, but if you sign up now for $197, then you get grandfathered in at that price. So make sure you check out the link in the video below. If you want more trade ideas like BETR, all these videos that I make the videos for YouTube, and then the entries and the exits are in the trading room. So check out the link, join us there, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.